Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious beef kaleji. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 kilogram of fresh beef kaleji, 2 large onions, and 3 ripe tomatoes. Don't forget your ginger garlic paste, a few green chilies, and a selection of common spices like red chili powder, turmeric, and garam masala. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare the kaleji itself. Begin by washing the beef kaleji very well under cold running water to ensure it's clean. Then, cut it into small, uniform, bite-sized pieces, which helps it cook evenly and quickly. For a tender result, marinate the kaleji with just a pinch of salt and about 1 tablespoon of white vinegar for approximately 15 minutes. This step is crucial for both flavor and texture. It's time to cook. Heat about half a cup of oil in a large pot and sauté your 2 chopped onions until they turn a lovely golden brown. Next, add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and your chosen spices, cooking for about 2 minutes until fragrant. Now, add the marinated kaleji to the pot. Stir well and cook it on medium heat for 20 to 25 minutes or until it's tender and fully cooked through. To finish our delicious beef kaleji, add a final flourish. Garnish generously with freshly chopped green chilies and a handful of vibrant cilantro. For an extra burst of flavor, squeeze the juice of 1 fresh lemon over the entire dish just before serving. This adds a wonderful tang. Serve your hot and aromatic beef kaleji immediately with warm naan, soft roti, or fluffy plain rice for a truly satisfying meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.